Hello, friends. I'm Alexius Varro, guiding you through the art of Stoic living. Today, we will delve into a fundamental Stoic principle, thinking before you act. Drawing from the wisdom imparted on the 14th day of our Stoic journey, we'll explore how to ensure our mind, and not our emotions or impulses, governs our actions. Ready to transform with Stoicism? Let's dive in. Think back to moments when you've asked yourself, why did I do that? What was I thinking? These times often leave us puzzled and sometimes regretful. The reality is, in these scenarios, you probably weren't thinking at all. The challenge of living wisely isn't about gaining more knowledge or seeking external solutions. It's about using the mind you already possess effectively. Heraclitus profoundly states, "Acknowledge only one wise being, the mind that alone governs the entire universe." This quote underscores the Stoic belief in the supremacy of rational thought. Our mind, when properly engaged, is our wisest guide. It's not easy, but it is possible. By focusing our attention on our mind, we allow it to steer our actions and decisions, ensuring we act with wisdom rather than in the throes of emotion or impulse. Why is this so crucial? Because the alternative is allowing immediate physical sensations or a surge of hormones to dictate our behavior. This often leads to actions that don't align with our deeper values or long-term goals. It's essential to create a buffer between stimulus and response, a moment for rational thought to intervene. Imagine you're in a heated argument. Feelings flare, words get harsher, and suddenly you say something you deeply regret. What happened here? Emotional impulse overrode rational thought. By pausing and giving your mind a chance to catch up, you grant yourself the ability to respond rather than react. Let's consider a practical application of this principle. The next time you find yourself on the verge of an impulsive action, try this simple exercise. Stop. Take a deep breath. Reflect on what you're feeling and why. Engage your rational mind by asking, is this action in alignment with my long-term goals and values? For example, imagine you're tempted to make a spur-of-the-moment purchase. Before swiping that card, pause and evaluate. Ask yourself, do I really need this? Is this a wise financial decision? These few moments of reflection can prevent unnecessary spending and align your actions with your long-term financial goals. Heraclitus' wisdom encourages us to recognize the mind's unparalleled capacity for governance. Acknowledge only one wise being, the mind that alone governs the entire universe. In doing so, we cultivate a mindset that isn't easily swayed by fleeting emotions or external pressures. Instead, we operate from a place of calm rationality. Adopting this Stoic practice isn't about becoming emotionless or cold. It's about achieving a balanced state where our emotions are acknowledged but not allowed to dominate. It's cultivating a strength of mind that navigates through life's turbulence with grace and composure. As you integrate this practice into your daily routine, you'll start noticing a shift in how you approach decisions and actions. You'll find a growing sense of inner calm and confidence, knowing that your actions are governed by thoughtful deliberation rather than knee-jerk reactions. To conclude, think before you act. Trust in the wisdom of your mind. Let it serve as your compass amidst life's unpredictabilities. Each day offers countless opportunities to practice this principle. Embrace these moments and transform them into steps toward a more resilient and mindful existence. Thank you for joining me on this journey. If you found today's content valuable, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more Stoic insights. And remember, the true power of Stoicism lies in practice. So, let's challenge ourselves to apply this lesson in our everyday lives. Until next time, stay resilient, stay disciplined, and most importantly, stay calm. I'm Alexius Varro, reminding you to think before you act.